This is the Hello World podcast, where we talk about habits of success, habits of excellence, entrepreneurship, leadership, learning and development, and outlook that will help us succeed through life. This is Louis Banta, CEO and Chief Trainer of Learning Just Made Better, or LJMB. Kung meron kayong advice doon sa mga nagsisimula pa lang in their early 20s or mid-20s. Of course, iba naman ng may mga generational differences tayo. Iba ang panahon ngayon o iba ang panahon noon. But what are some timeless habits that never become old-fashioned? Sa mga nagsisimula pa lang sa career nila, top 3 pieces of career advice that you can give?
One, kasi lalo na sa mga bago, no fear. No fear to ask questions, no fear to learn, and no fear to give your inputs. Kasi di ba normally, kapag bago, akala mo, naku, bago ako dito, baka hindi nila ako masyadong papansinin, di ba? If you're new, you're in a very good position to introduce something that is new. So no fear to ask questions, no fear to share your perspective. Pangalawa is, ganun pa rin, habang bago ka, begin to already be conscious of the kind of person and brand and reputation that you want to build for yourself. Okay? Kailangan aga pa lang, alam mo na kung anong gusto mo. Ikaw ba yung dependable? Ikaw ba yung hard worker? Ikaw ba yung smart and the like? Dapat alam mo na yun ha? And then, pangatlo will be, again, with all of the opportunities and many projects ongoing in organizations now, tanggap ng trabaho in projects with energy and enthusiasm. Ano ka lang. Remember, while there are opportunities, there's also so much competition, correct? So how can you how can you beat competition? How can you progress in life? Okay, always carry that enthusiasm and energy in the work that you do. Huwag ka matakot sa trabaho. Walang talo sa doing something to the best of your ability.
You mentioned earlier, no fear specifically on asking questions. I can imagine during your time, because I also experienced this. Parang nung panahon natin, much more siguro nung panahon ninyo, parang di ba bawal magtanong o hindi naman bawal magtanong. Parang maraming mga boss ang nagagalit kapag nagtatanong. Either ayaw nila lang matanong o ayaw nila lang feeling siguro nila china-challenge ang kanilang authority pag nagtatanong.
That's correct. Pero umikot na rin ang mga bosses ngayon. Ngayon ang mga bosses, they expect the younger ones, the new ones, to be more assertive, no? That is already a minimum expectation. Yes. So kailangan, remember, if everybody is at that expectation, kailangan ikaw talaga will be in that higher level pa.
So it's a good thing that leaders have also become more empowering, more delegating over time. Kasi nga it's the load is not just on the leaders to bear. Sa mga, I touched on this earlier when you gave your lessons in the past 10 years. You mentioned about things that you did as CEO. If there is still 1 or 2 more pieces of advice to those who I want to be a great CEO or a successful one, any additional tips that you can give?
Siguro to me, this is very important, no, yung isipin mo na kung saan ka nag-umpisa o kung paano ka nag-umpisa should not limit how far you can go. And that is my story. I did not, believe that how low or slow I started in life, okay, would limit how far I can go. So yung mga nag-aspire mag-aspire ka. Huwag mong sabihin na, eto lang ako eh.
Mhm.
Hanggang dito lang ako eh.
Mhm.
Huwag ganon.
Mhm.
O may mas mayaman sa akin, may mas mabilis sa akin, may mas matalino sa akin eh.
Mhm.
Huwag ganon.
Mhm.
Alright? Aspire.
Mhm.
Okay? You might not become the CEO, but
Mhm.
you will progress in life.
Mhm.
Kasi nag-aspire ka, naniwala ka eh, and not giving up on what you believe you deserve.
Mhm.
So yun sa akin, don't sell yourself short. Maniwala ka sa sarili mo.
Okay. Okay. It really starts with believing in yourself. Nobody else will believe in you, whether it's a small task or leading a big company as CEO, if it doesn't start from within.
Oo.
Sense. This is Louis Banta of LJMB. Thank you for watching my video. To watch more videos like this, click subscribe and hit the bell icon below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and share it to others.